Writing style. Inspiring. Hey everyone, I'm here today to share some powerful secrets to boosting your professional success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your current role, these 10 insights from the book Dominate Your Job, Improve Yourself. Professionally at your workplace will guide you to not just succeed, but to excel. Let's dive right in. First off, self-assessment matters. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. It's crucial for setting the right foundations and really dominating in your job. Next, continuous learning is key. Embrace a mindset of perpetual growth. Look for every opportunity to expand your skills and knowledge. Remember, the more you know, the more valuable you become. Now, let's talk about communication. It's vital. Master the art of conveying your ideas clearly. Whether it's collaborating with colleagues or resolving conflicts, effective communication is your golden ticket. Taking initiative is another crucial step. Don't wait for opportunities to come knocking. Be proactive, identify challenges, and propose solutions. Show that you're a leader, even from your current position. Moving on, cultivate professional relationships. Build strong networks both within and outside your organization. These relationships can support you, provide insight, and help advance your career. Adaptability is essential. The professional world is constantly changing. Stay flexible and embrace new technologies, processes, and strategies with open arms. Time management is crucial. Develop strong skills to prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Managing your time effectively allows you to achieve more with less stress. Embrace feedback. Welcome constructive criticism as an opportunity for growth. Actively seeking and using feedback can significantly refine your professional abilities. Next up, foster a positive attitude. Maintain an optimistic mindset even in challenging situations. This not only inspires confidence in yourself, but also in those around you. And finally, strive for excellence. Set high standards for yourself and consistently work towards achieving them in all aspects of your professional life. Implementing these 10 strategies will not just help you meet your professional goals, but will empower you to exceed them. So take these insights, apply them diligently, and watch as you transform your professional life. Remember, success is not just about what you accomplish, but also about how you develop and grow. Keep pushing, keep growing, and let's make excellence our minimum standard. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success.